Hi, it's Zena, and today I want to talk about this Gotham Steel 6-piece non-toxic bake set. I've been trying to live a healthy non-toxic lifestyle, so when it came to buying new baking pans, I saw a lot of the ones that had a protective coating actually had PFOAs, especially when it heats up and it releases. I didn't want to have that, so I was looking high and low and found these from Gotham Steel. So it comes with a baking rack for cooling. It's all stacked really nicely, by the way, and then it comes with a cookie sheet, regular cookie sheet size, non-stick coating, a little 9-portion small muffin tin, a little square pan, a little oblong pan like for a loaf, and then this really large pan to make food in it, like baked chicken, potatoes, large casseroles, anything like that. So what I like about these is that they're non-stick, and even at a very high temperature, it does not have dangerous chemicals for you. I use them in my oven. I actually even use the baking sheet on broil, which is really high. My experience is that it does not bend at all from high heat. I don't have to oil spray it. You can just put whatever you're baking on it, and it's still non-stick. It's dishwasher safe, it's oven safe, and high temperature safe. Overall, I would say this is a really good set, really high quality, and good for you. I love it, and I would highly recommend it.